This is Micro-credential in a Minute, produced by Micro-credential Multiverse. Hi, my name is Rob.
And my name is Martin, and we are micro-credential and digital badge experts.
Today, we're going to talk about how can micro-credentials be used to create additional on-ramps and off-ramps for people who may not typically participate in tertiary or higher education opportunities. And this is a part of a theme that we addressed in another episode of the podcast. So don't forget to listen to all of them. But without further ado, I'm going to acquiesce to Martin. So what do you think of this question?
Thanks, Rob. I've spent my whole career working at the intersection of education and technology, Rob. And every time we've looked at it as to what is the great promise of technology and education, it's always been about access, Rob. And I think what flexible, well-constructed micro-credentials allow us to do is to actually, in a very low-risk, non-threatening way, ignite people's passion, their hopes, their aspirations, and their belief that they can succeed. And once they've taken that first step, once they've sort of got over what might be quite horrible memories of being in school and what education meant to them, you actually restore that aspiration. And the smart universities there are finding ways to then allow that success to pay forward into more traditional programs. And of course, the opposite is the case too, Rob. You want people to have step-off points at whatever point in the learning journey makes sense for them to get the outcome that they're looking for. And of course, micro-credentials gives you almost an infinite number of step-off points in what can be quite overly structured programs.
Yeah, I think, two things that emerge out of that is this idea of personalization. So making, the individual's learning journey a more personalized and frictionless process is one of the ways that micro-credentials can certainly be used to create those on-ramps and off-ramps.